Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
Welcome to Cuyapo Nueva Ecija. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Cuyapo Nueva Ecija, and we are following Rick and Jen, the Good, the Bad of Philippines, where we're gonna be heading to their place, guys. I'll just give you a little tour here inside Cuyapo. So this is what you can see. It's a little bit traffic, and we're kind of the center in the town right now, right?
Looks like it.
So we're gonna be heading to the newly built house.
Hey guys, we're up at Rick and Jen's place up here, their new house, and getting the grand tour. Really beautiful place, and we've had a great morning getting a chance to come and see it. So they've opened up and let us get the sneak peek. They're still got a little bit of touch-up work that they're doing so they can get moved in, just some trim painting and things like that. So exciting. We're looking forward to see them get moved in.
This is only our chance to come here, so that's why we just grabbed this opportunity to visit their place. So yeah, we're so excited for them to move in here, and they're gonna have this very nice pool ready for swimming.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna take a look. Alright guys, we're finally here, and I'll give you a tour. I know you guys saw already on the Good, the Bad and Philippines channel, their house, but I just wanna take a video on this. So this is another house building in the Philippines, but this one is located in Cuyapo. So this is their main door here on that side, and then this is their 2-car garage. This is their window from their kitchen. Tsaka meron silang maliit na space dito. I'm not sure what you're gonna do on this one. Maybe they're gonna do landscaping here, plants and whatsoever. So this room is there where pump and main switch located, I believe. So they have a big space here for their washing machine. The kitchen. So that's Rick there. Jen. Their swimming pool has water already, so it's ready to jump. It's ready to jump. That's their master bedroom over there. Hallway to the 2 bedrooms and comfort room.
As they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Let's go inside their living room. Look at the tiles. The tiles looking like a marble tiles.
So this is the dining room.
Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is where you're gonna put the TV.
TV will go right. We got the wall-mounted. Yeah, we'll go right here.
Yeah.
Our couch. We bought a huge couch. Sectional type thing from our home, SCM our home. And they'll deliver it. It's already made. They just go wait for us to tell them to deliver it. It'll fill up this almost whole front area. Dining room will go there. We bought a refrigerator, full size refrigerator with water and ice in the door. So it'll fit just perfectly right.
Have you found one with water and ice in the door that hooks to the line?
Got it at Benson's? Benson's?
A bit? Where did you find it at?
Well, it doesn't hook with the water. You can't find it. It's got a tank. 20.4 cubic.
That's their island.
Big full size. Yeah.
Your counter. Your cabinet.
And it feeds the automatic ice maker.
And then there's a sliding door here. Going to the pool.
Otherwise, you just turn into.
So this is not cloth, but it's
Right, but I mean the color. The color kind of a buckskin color tan.
As they were a year ago, but all be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it's
Okay, so this is their
Very easy on
bathroom here. We call it powder room. So if you have visitor, they just go in here. And then the hallway, this is the hallway going to the 3 bedrooms. And let's go. So the bathroom. They're working in their first bedroom. We already have the fan, ceiling fan.
seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
They already put their shower. Wow, that's nice. So if you guys want to see some full of the video of this house, how they build it, you can just go visit the Good, the Bad, the Philippines. So they have weekly videos there that you could see, you could check. And also, I believe that's the counter for the sink, and then the shower area.
Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And where I'll go in life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
Alright guys, we're done visiting Rick and Jen. The good, bad, and ugly in the Philippines, right?
The good, the bad, the Philippines.
Yeah, I know, I just picking on brother. But we're done, so we got a great visit and got to see their house. What a beautiful house. We're on our way back now home, so we're just kind of taking our time doing a little sightseeing. So guys, make sure you check out their videos. They'll have some videos coming up. I know Rick was telling me he's going to do a couple part series video on the cost and what he would do different and things like that, so look forwards to that. And Rick, Jen, thank you guys for having us up.
Yes,
had a wonderful day. All right, everybody, well, make sure you check back in with us, subscribe, share, and like the videos. We'll see you next week.
Bye guys. Look at that. Wow.
Fighter jets. Here comes your helicopters.